Okay, so we just arrived here in the area, and now guys, we started already doing the rendering, or what we call the finishing of the wall. And our guys are working on it right now here inside our master bedroom. So this is the mason who also working on the rendering inside the room. And in here guys, in the bathroom, yeah, it's finished, rendered already, and there are some outlet putting in that area. So even here in the living room, they started already working on the finishing, or what we call the rendering of the wall. So it's in here, in this part. Yeah, so from this side going down to that area, they already rendered this part of the wall. And in here, as we walk down into this area here, and in the kitchen, we have her Dadoy again working on the countertop, like this one. He weld the rebar, and he's using a 10 mm na no? 9? 10 mm rebar. So he gonna prepare the rebar first on the top, so they can, after this one, they can pour the concrete. Guman ana na magbuhos na ka. Yeah, they can pour the concrete after this one. And even on that side, ha? Oo, no isa. So he said he gonna put some siding on that part, this one, in here. Dadoy said he just work here in the countertop because the other guy cannot get fast enough to get the concrete mix, because we have the other mason inside who's working on the wall. And in here, outside, now we have the Eric and Brian is working on the piling of the CHB on the gap of the wall in that area. Okay, so this part is already put in, but they need to put that one where there is a whole solid concrete. And in here, Naidon is shifting the sun since yesterday. Noyanyong is shifting in this area, but right now Noyanyong is helping us planting. Maybe after Noyanyong get done on planting, we let him do the shifting, and Noydon will be the one to do the mixing of the concrete. That was yesterday guys, the sand was being delivered, but that one is rewash sand. But we like the other one better because it's a bit finer than this one. This one is quite big and there's a lot of rocks. So next time when we gonna order, we gonna do the ordering of the other type of sand. And this one is quite expensive. It's about, they gave us 1,150 per cubic. But the other one's a bit cheaper, it's like 800. Then our guys here told us, Brian, that there is in their area who sells some sand for a bit cheaper, for 4 per cubic. I don't know how much, but he gonna ask how much is it. Nabutangan tog Sahara, noy? Oo. Ayun, no? We gonna buy more waterproofing mixture for the other bathroom. Para sa pikas nila mo, iwa? Oo, kana na lang. Napila ka, kuha na, bag.
Kaya bagtudok na. Balik-balik pa.
Upat ka bag. It's getting there, guys, but hopefully we just let them do first the bedroom. And after the bedroom, and we're gonna let him work on here in the living room and the kitchen. Then next is the bathroom and the 2 rooms, and also the window, so we can install it, the windows and door. So Noidoni is the one who tried to give them the concrete mix here. This guy, guys, his name is Johnny, but his nickname is Bamboo. He's like the singer Bamboo. Yeah, I start working here last Monday. I asked him if that sand is good or the other one is better, but he said the other sand that we use first is better than this one. Scott has a plan on this wall, like we're gonna put some tiles and this one to make some accent, no? A bit design. Even that one, honey, in that side, that wall, or that column. Yeah, no, the tile. Like, because you're planning to put some tiles here in this column. How about that also?
Well, I think in the kitchen, I think it would be cool to use the black ones from the countertop.
Yeah, that was nice.
And then the same tile as the floor in here.
Isn't that bad?
Marbles.
Yeah, it looks like marble. Okay, guys, so that is for today. Thank you to all our subscribers out there and our supporters and viewers into our channel. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone, and God bless.